Did you know that a single jar in your pantry could transform your skin and hair? Coconut oil, derived from coconuts, possesses remarkable hydrating and nourishing properties. For centuries, cultures have revered coconut oil for its therapeutic benefits. Modern science confirms coconut oil is a powerhouse of nutrients essential for healthy skin and hair. Let's delve into the world of coconut oil and discover how this versatile gift from nature can unlock your most radiant self. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to neglect our skin and hair. Over time, this takes a toll, leaving our skin dry and our hair lifeless. Incorporating coconut oil into your nightly routine offers a natural way to combat these issues. As you massage coconut oil into your skin and hair, you're nourishing them with essential nutrients. Coconut oil's lauric acid fights acne-causing bacteria and keeps your scalp healthy. For hair, coconut oil acts as a deep conditioner, repairing damage and enhancing shine. Let's address common skin and hair concerns that many of us face daily, and explore how coconut oil, a natural and versatile remedy, can provide effective solutions. Dry skin. Coconut oil's moisturizing properties alleviate dryness and itchiness, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Acne. Lauric acid in coconut oil kills acne-causing bacteria and reduces inflammation, promoting clearer skin. Signs of aging. Rich in antioxidants, coconut oil helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a youthful glow. Hair damage. Coconut oil repairs damage, strengthens hair follicles, and reduces breakage, ensuring your hair stays strong and healthy. It also forms a protective barrier against heat styling and environmental aggressors, keeping your hair safe from daily wear and tear. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a true beauty essential, suitable for a wide range of skin and hair types. Embrace the natural benefits of coconut oil and transform your beauty routine today. Embrace the versatility of coconut oil. Coconut oil in action. This natural wonder is not just for cooking, it's a multi-purpose beauty staple. There are numerous ways to incorporate it into your nightly beauty ritual. As a facial moisturizer, it's perfect for hydrating your skin. After cleansing, warm a small amount between your palms and massage it into your skin. The warmth helps it absorb better. As a body lotion, apply coconut oil all over your body after showering. It locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. As a hair mask, apply to your hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight. This deep conditioning treatment can revive dry, damaged hair. As a makeup remover, coconut oil gently removes makeup without stripping the skin. It's effective even on waterproof makeup, leaving your skin clean and soft. These are just a few ideas to inspire you. Coconut oil can also be used as a lip balm, cuticle oil, or even a shaving cream alternative. The key is to find a routine that you enjoy and that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Experiment and discover the many benefits of coconut oil for yourself. A transformative journey, my coconut oil story. I vividly recall the first time I experienced the transformative power of coconut oil. It was a moment of curiosity and hope, as I had heard so much about its benefits. I had been struggling with dry skin and dull hair for what felt like forever. My skin was flaky, and my hair lacked the shine and vitality I longed for. Countless products had failed to deliver the results I craved. I had tried everything from high-end brands to DIY remedies, but nothing seemed to work. That's when I stumbled upon the wonders of coconut oil. I found it on a store shelf, and something about it intrigued me. I decided to give it a try. I started using it as a nightly moisturizer and woke up with noticeably softer, smoother skin. It was like my skin had been given a new lease on life. My hair felt softer and more manageable too. The dullness was replaced with a healthy shine, and it became easier to style. This experience was a turning point in my journey towards embracing a more natural approach to beauty. Coconut oil became a staple in my routine, and I started exploring other natural products as well. It was the beginning of a new, healthier chapter in my life. Unlock the beauty within. Coconut oil's promise. In a world saturated with synthetic beauty products, it's empowering to discover the power of natural ingredients like coconut oil. By incorporating coconut oil into your nightly routine, you're nourishing your skin and hair with essential nutrients. It's a reminder to slow down, listen to your body's needs, and embrace the beauty of simplicity. Awaken each morning to softer, smoother skin and more lustrous hair, and be reminded of the incredible power of nature to heal and transform.